Right, I was for and then you may obibia kwa bio and famra say obet network as usual oba me show. Don't forget say obe subscribe na fe onso wati ma share na ode amanya na fe onua etimi a share juma den bi over the weekend and I said coming this weekend Ghana Premier League no enso to so watch say enya sam ketwa na eba be wese ara mpempin ensam na doso omo ko irrigation omo pesa omo stay big clubs awuro enim say omo gidie ne sabia omo tena e league no no omo position enya e league no ara mpempi no ye 30 nsem bebre eba soro nso a omo pesa omo gi league no e na ye 30 nsem pi na ye nim say Mediama Sporting Club unofficially omo gi Ghana Premier League enso timawie na sesie de eto no ana se irrigation nim say Ho is United eko 11 Wonders eko always say table na buy na a likely say Sodro or Blast a likely say Nations FC possibility say wa obe lose game no obetima ko irrigation e wosoro enti amase se amono kase Santos awdo ne nyina no obi atoto ne nema ye se ne be ya ebetima boa no fe ye wi a me pacho so obekam anasa wonkam de eyemere nka bia na be kire na mo be kai a Asante Kotoko ekobo Sodro or Blast na omukoduru ye no ensem akoso on se wiase no se ade bia wodi obi bia no se wo ye na se wanye careful a ena sabi yaso to bobodan esanso esayere eba wa so na anwumre yanka be nhemu breaking news eba ne se Asante Kotoko supporters no bi abomode amasese amono kasai omo torch refi bi amana ko piem ewo Central Police Station e Kumasi ya na sese amono kasai no Sodro or Blast allegedly ni nyina ne se omo mpemfo no bi e de sika agukam ama sese amono kasai omo da storming Asante Kotoko clubhouse no ma omo try omo best say defender bi di omo bribe no na fisa defender na echena watoto papa so e Babara Sports Stadium na abusuya meti asem no na emowa na mse da anwumai esa confirm betena se na fe dom suko na fe ye kire nsem no mu ye de tie menie me no ka say Asante Kotoko supporters can numbers ni nyina no ekuta wo mo picture me menya hwe enanwumen e kire se can na e black can no e black ye be che supporters no omo nsema na nwumre omo di atodwa na fe ni ye tie nsema efri e Asante Kotoko clubhouse no eba de me peke ne se sika no coin e dollars ana ego every puma omo bo mo de se omo de ema e defender no na defender no de me peke ne se Asante Kotoko club no e de na koma so ntino ono so e bo mo de e fa kire place ko e de mampanyifo enti o place ko no ana mpanyifo so make sure say on so be mo de na fa nsem no obakotie mu se na sitie enti ampani ampame no kasai omakotie se na nsem sitie ama se de me peke ne se ko Central Police Station a refi bi omo sa so ni mo se no kasai omo de ne ko yegusu abomodin e follow steps yegusu abomodin e je report yegusu abomodin e tietie de from eba na wiase no se wo ya de na se wan hwe ya waso ye hye wiase no se o ya de na wan hwe ya waso ye hye mo asankofo ya ana Asante Kotoko eba ho no ma etoje na penkra sifri kam ga se de mo e bia mo nya omo ene se mo huto ene se mo hu asema esi ene se mo hu asema esi ene mo ne ana moto ada edi no ene se moto ada edi no ene se moto ada edi no na enye izo enye ize kra diesi no enye ize ya the videos upon videos ade beto so na mo so manya bia hwe ya the videos upon videos beto so na mo so matimi ayre enya bia hwe dia koso e Central Police Station abusuya dia koso e Central Police Station ena nwumre ya me no kasai ya chi refi no na fe defender na bomodin sika no or reject sika no na de me peke kra na say kan yes and supporter bi kra am say kan no but what e allege wo mi guso e place ko ni pan em peke ko no e allege say ka aka Asante Kotoko supporter ba ko wa bra ko ba say supporter say storm yo mo tempte so mo arrest kan no pe no ni pa o chika no e ya bom chief aso na chese e hete ni pa ba ko They said the pound says, baby, oh, Dano, Deme Pekano, Ehu. Deme Pekano, Ehu, Yanko Ponkwana no Kofo. Chedian Pokami Baseldom to Tobosto, so boy, or no Kwana no Kofo, Tabusia. Oh, yeah, Asante Kotoko supporter, down so, say. Right up where the mom is saying, as Asante Kotoko supporters leadership has intercepted an amount of $100,000 given to a player. So that means Patrick Esiedu by Sodo All Black CEO through Kumasi-based referee who is a police officer. Or say, the player in question reported the incident to the supporters leadership that led the interception when the money was given. The story I made them mono, a whole write up, and I send them Mrs. and then you bring a whole write up, and I send the Mrs. and then you bring Jesus Christ. Someone see, Abusiafo. Na player say Bonabaso. Player Patrick Esiedu and say Bonabaso because so no e kan kore so no metima body timi body initially means ka player ni di. But me confirm the amount. Say Patrick Esiedu are rejected $100,000 for bribe. Wait, Quebec say saka politics by patriotic person. Hey! Sodo Obla CEO, through Kumasi-based referee, who is police officer. Ash. Some can say yes. The dynamic say pop. Enti ubetime tua $100,000 say ana do point na so do blast ebre. Enti na mu discount go na mo ya wese mo be relegation. Tena mo ya wese mo be relegation. En guasesem pa na ese na nwumre no. En guasesem ana ese na nwumre. Hey. Ash. But abusa for mo yentie supporters no. Amadu di sama mudi atuja. Amama yenchiremu ewo leli di yakofa we nyina yede abaye. Na fie ba. Yes bia no, ya mama te say dey say egusu follow. Eye case no. Na ya hwe say dey nema yede. Enso esi e konti support sa do sama mudi atuja no. Yenko na fie yenko tie kakra. Na ye hwe say dey nchiremu no enso esi tie.
Yenka bi. Say we twa na we twa ntro nti say asem na ba police station. Nti di waka say we twa ntro nti so be sam be kasa we ka no kora na. Inti asama ba onimu no enso so woka bi inti ebese abusu for sabe Kotoko ye ni ho Oblast je Kotoko ye kwa omo hye ye de na si ya mu player anya obi ahwe eye football ye boso obi be show bi ti obi hye ya de na si this season ye hwe aroho Kotoko supporters last 3 seasons abro players e die what is akobo players that's it me the among ka be fa players for stadium ene hu bi ye nim say football e break kona nim no say team nya no wa ye ni ye ti ye de fa no say team nya. But a train in your man coffee, Basaka, you make with you all. Then Cassie is kind of quadridia, now Kotoko player, pa, you train Cassie, meaning is a Basaka player, be a deep and Kotoko player. No, sir, Basaka, no bet Muma Bobola, China, Sanche, dear. Then that catcher is a BB Kosso. I was a chassis investigation. And much is a player, no, or also want some to say, money didn't come out. No, dear, why not going to say, the Ecosu Biano. Or back briefly pennyful. Oh, can you must tell the air swinging now? Yan monitor massa. Ye cut the air, say, young will be your place and a dano. Near me a cost of a Massa Bemo. Patrick, I said, you must say, yes, I'm brain scar. Massa, ye investigation not catch rating. Any of friends are threatened, no, what kind of crib ye. It will much train. And to pay young information I want. Any DDH area, who say, some night, tea and this kind of $1,000 margin. Every thousand no crowd, only a children once and member. And the moment being finding in my massa near Mano. Sican crowd now, Mode Banancasano, Emblipum. Some I rush Cocos Canono, some I rush woman, or no, I left freeness can crowd or 2 man.
Ototo car.
Quite simple. Wow. And some night can establish Yamagina or we are collected to a transfer to the Indian or the police had money and Ibra. Yeah, police. Yeah, and Kokra Indian could deliver me. Now, come into a 5 minutes meeting. Intimation pattern tragedy. But so be or Tikumasi, or Yakumasiniba, say left no boy abra. Left free way never said session year from last season. Tamanako junior team no television. A power robo yam share 6B. A quo, yes, and Kababono Cran at my yes in Castle. Nipo Bearbon and watching on one a Bessia Papa. Inti a mere castle. Yes, Shania, middle league, Mukomu, and a track up betraying. Into Sabuya Kumasini also be the bride and carry. Asante, you will may at yes, say, Kotoko or a bosom. Kotokonaba woman who, until we are bonny, I had a better, sir, a better snap near Quantum, near the Wako Janswa, and 20 winning. With a young to us, bribery allegation, I'll ban you. No, dear, I ban with the Omini. But I'm more cheery, a young who knows, almost said one more. Okay, what I say? Okay, where do you see actually running in? Let free our obisi Kotia Mobisa and Sanction. Massa, let free away. What's a police near Winnie Rao? Because of a police into there. Okay, nobody in your home. And Kawin Kakutia bribe no. When you try bribe no, yes, yes. It's reporting live from Central Police Station.